Okay guys, Aspen here. I'll switch to my Sony FDR camera, my action cam. I really love this camera. It's so light and so easy to carry around. I'm walking the same path as I did with my Sony A33 DSLR camera, 10-year-old. This camera is 5-year-old, but I really love to use this camera. It's much better stabilized. Of course, you have optical stabilization, and it's pretty easy to use. It's so lightweight, and I think the image quality on this camera is pretty good. I really don't know how the image quality looks like on the Sony A33 camera, but I'm pretty sure this is much better. I'm quite sure of that, but it's going to be fun to see how the old Sony photographic camera is. I never tested to vlog with it. I'm pretty sure it's pretty bad. I just want to test and compare the image side by side with this camera. So we're gonna do that, and just to see how the image quality is and how the stabilization is. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do stabilization in Davinci Resolve 17 with a Sony A33. It's all depend on how the image quality looks like. But it's going to be fun to test them side by side just to see how it is. So this is just a quick side by side test with the Sony FDR X3000 action cam and the Sony A33 DSLR camera. Yeah, so just a quick test. Let's turn the camera just to see how it is against the sun. I'm pretty sure it's really blown up. Let's just test it and see. This camera is a really good action cam, quite easy to use. The image quality is pretty good, and the inboard mic on the Sony FDR is pretty good. I'm using the Rode Wireless Go with it because I really enjoy using that. So how are the image quality side by side? So this was a quick side by side test with two old camera, Sony FDR 5 years old and Sony A33 10 years old. Yeah, we are heading back. I just did a short vlog test with the two cameras that I have. I have 3 cameras, the Insta360 camera, but I wanted to try a comparison test between the Sony A33 and the Sony FDR X3000. And I did take some photos just to compare them. So it's going to be fun to see, and I really hope you will watch my video and yeah, see a test between two really old cameras. Just fun to test all devices and see if it's possible to create some kind of content with old gear. I'm pretty sure that the Sony A33 camera is pretty bad, and I know that the autofocus on that camera is, yeah, pretty crap, I think. And I think the Sony FDR X3000 has some kind of infinity focus or whatever. I think you have to get pretty close to your face to lose the focus, so everything is in focus. It's going to be fun to see how the Sony camera looks like. And I did test the transmitter with the receiver on the camera just to test it out. I really love the Rode Wireless Go system. It's great. And the sun is going down in Norway now, so it's the sun is really low on the sky, so it's really sharp. But so let's head back, and thank you so much for checking out my channel. Really hope you enjoy it and will subscribe. I'm still gonna try to figure out what kind of content I'm gonna create in the future. It's still pretty hard to get up with ideas and directions and what to create. When we can travel more, it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna shoot much more, and let's go back. We'll turn the camera so you can see how it looks like here. It's so nice to see all the green colors coming now. It really is. And May is a really nice month in Norway. Everything is growing, and all the leaves are coming to the trees, and the flowers are coming, and you get all the beautiful colors. So it's really beautiful. It really is. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.